Hi guys. So today is July 25th, 2012, and that makes it 2 days post-op for me. My surgery was on Monday, July 23rd. Um I'm still I said I was going to make a video right after surgery depending on how I felt, but that didn't go out as I planned. So I just wanted to go ahead and make this video. It might be a two-part video because I have a lot to say. I want to give you guys who are pre-op enough detail and explanation as possible so you can know what to expect, what what things to look out for. So it might be a two-part video. I tried making this video yesterday, but I was just so still drugged up, and it went over like 15 minutes, so I was like, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this video today by telling you guys what happened to me. So first of all, let me start by saying today's day 2 post-op for me, and I'm still in not in a lot of pain. I'm just really, really sore on my left side. My surgeon says that's, where my port is, and of course it's gonna hurt. As far as my other incisions, I have not had any pain from them whatsoever. I didn't even know I had more incisions. I just felt like I was just cut up on that left side. But like I said, I don't even want to do anything. Day 1, right after surgery, was just horrible. I didn't even want to get out of bed. I just laid there. But yeah, I'll get to day 1 just shortly. But as of right now, I still don't really want to do anything. It hurts to move. My muscles hurt in my stomach. I don't even want to get up to go to the bathroom, but I know I have to walk around and get this gas out, which is coming out slowly. Luckily, I was fortunate enough to not have too many gas pains. The second day was really bad in my shoulders, but it wasn't horrible. I just kind of had to shake it off and it was gone. But yeah, anyway, so let me go ahead and get straight to it. Like I said, this might be a two-part video. So let me just start with my just to explain a little bit of how the pain feels. It kind of feels like when you do a whole bunch of sit-ups and the next day you're just like, oh my god, my stomach is so sore. Like, that's how it feels, with a little twinge here and there. But it just feels like really bad stomach muscles from sit-ups, from doing too many sit-ups. That's how it feels. So, okay, so here I go. I'm going to start with day 1, which was surgery day. They had told me to be at the hospital at 10. I got there about 9:45, and it took them a little while to register me, so I got right upstairs to pre-op surgical unit about 10:05, 10:15. At that point, because I had went in a week before, I already had done all my blood work, all my paperwork that I needed to sign, and all that stuff before, so I didn't need to do HCG. I didn't need to do anything of that sort. So all they did was have me change. They sat me in my bed and they took my blood pressure. They took my vitals. Sorry, the pre-register. The Monday that I went to go pre-register, they had done EKG, a chest X-ray. They did some blood lab work, they did, what else? Yeah, that's it. So, they had already tested me for all that stuff. So, the day of surgery, all they did was just hook me up to my heart monitors, took my pulse. Um, they didn't take any more blood like they said they were going to, but I guess that's okay. Um, then they started my IV in my arm, which hurt really bad. um, which is funny because, let me see if I could show you guys. Which is funny because I didn't want it at this spot, but they put it there anyway. And then when I woke up, it was in a totally different spot. So I was weird, but I was kind of glad for that because at least I wasn't awake to feel it. Let me see if I can show you guys. There's my one IV. I don't know, it's kind of bruised up a little bit. And then when I woke up, it was over here on my wrist, right there. But I was glad because that's where I had originally wanted it. For some reason, that spot doesn't hurt as much as the arm. So, sorry guys, I'm kind of losing control of this camera here. But, so yeah. Anyway, so they took all my pressures or whatever, and they told me my surgery was going to be scheduled for 12:30. Well, somehow it got pushed up to 1, but they didn't end up taking me until like 1:30, 2 o'clock almost. So right before they came and got me, the surgical nurse came in. I'm sorry, guys. Trying to release all that gas. I can feel it in my chest area right now. But anyway, the surgical nurse came in and got me. She told me what to expect when we went in there. She's the one who told me that I was going to have like 7 to 8 stab wounds. And I was like, oh my god, 7 to 8. I was just freaking out over 5. Because I thought that was how many I was going to have. But no, I woke up and luckily I only had 5. So, oh, and then I had went in expecting to have my hiatal hernia fixed as well as having the lap band placement. So I think that's why they added a couple more stab wounds for the hiatal hernia. I don't know what's the deal with that. But anyway, so right before they woke me up, the anesthesiologist came in and talked to me, told me, asked me some questions about allergies, stuff like that, and then gave me some medicine to help relax me. Yeah, that's where I started feeling kind of woozy. So then I made it to the OR. At that point is where things were a little blurry. They had this bed underneath me, and they told me they were going to blow it up, and it was going to be like an inflatable mattress, and that's how they were going to get me transferred over to the OR table. So I remember them blowing that mattress up, and they moving me over, and then the nurse asked me, okay, can you feel like you're on the middle of the table? And I said yes, I'm like right in the middle. So then after that, all I remember was them putting my arms on these little arm stirrups or whatever. They put my left one first, and then they put the right one. And right when they put the right one, I was out. I don't remember anything else that happened after that. The next thing I remember is I'm waking up. But I'm at 9 minutes 20 seconds, so let me go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll go ahead and continue with video number 2. Okay guys, goodbye.